everybody. So we are back. Yeah, it's a little more early, like really early. It's like about 6 o'clock, I think. So today, as you guys saw before, not too long ago, Dad introduced the Mustang. Everybody likes them, besides people that really truly don't like them, which in that case they can honestly kind of screw off, because Mustangs are probably one of the only muscle cars besides like Camaros and all that, but those are all icons. Okay. Now with that being said, yesterday Dad picked up a car, or a new car, that I bought, but I could not go get it because I worked. So it's a V8 rear-wheel drive. It's on an automatic 4-speed. Definitely needs some work and some love, which I plan on doing. So let me show you guys. Alright, so here it is. It is an LS400 Lexus, or not LS400, my bad, SC400. It is the V8, because they only came in the V8. There was only one manual transmission made for these cars. Only literally one car, so kind of sad about that, but we'll get over it. So we are going to need a new fender right here, because this one is bad. So we're going to get a new one there. The paint is screwed, so we plan on sanding all this down and then painting it, or not painting it, wrapping it. And then this, I'm going to be doing a cleaning video on this, so we're going to get a razor, some either soapy water or a window cleaner. We're going to scrape all this stuff off, all this, because we saw with the Eclipse, it was not so fun. So we're going to get all these stickers off, and then we're going to do it properly. These wheels, we plan on keeping these wheels on. The lug nuts had spikes. Here. Had spikes, so you can screw these off. So basically what I did is just screwed them off. So we're gonna get those lug nuts replaced with probably some nice black ones, or match them with the paint on the car when we wrap it. We need a new door cap, because all that, there's some rust and everything, but I'm not worried about that, because other than all this, it's a pretty nice running clean car. A little bit of a dent right there. The trunk, it does have the 6-changed radio. The guy, I'm guessing, did debadge it a little bit, because this is gone. I plan on taking that off, actually. I think it just comes right off. No. So yeah. Tail lights could use some love, so they're not yellow. There's some more stickers right there, right there. These mirrors need to be replaced or fixed up, because they just move really easily. There's a dent right there, and then there's something else there was that I was going to show you. These are shot, like, badly. You can tell the car is sat for a little bit, but it's going to be okay, because we love cars and we love fixing them. The interior is my main concern and project on this car. There is no door panels. Me and my dad, we did find some, like, it's a panel that covers this. It's just metal, so we're going to cover that up. And then about this, I don't know what we're going to do about that. The interior, these seats are completely shot. That back seat is completely shot. Our panel's gone. We might need to blur that out. Basically, it's not so good. There's that. And then the keys are right here. No, I did not leave them in the car. Right here. Basically, that's just cold idle. I haven't started it today. the gas is old, like extremely old. You can tell by the gas that it's bad gas. It's old, so you can tell this thing is sat for a little bit. So we do plan on fixing that up. I thought I unplugged that. So there's no radio, so we're gonna get that fixed up. This is my radio for right now until I can get a new one hooked up. And then this is the shift area, and all of you Lexus people, you know that this is your overdrive right here, or I believe your overdrive, and then this is just so you can shift and whatnot. So we're getting that fixed up. And in here, that is broken, so you have to like move that out when you push this down. It's kind of sad, but it'll be all right. And then other than that, a lot of this stuff just needs to be taken out and then fabricated, basically. New thing, I want to get a new steering wheel, probably a quick disconnect, because I'm never gonna use cruise control, because that's just how it is. I might need a new steering column, because for this, maybe you guys can tell me down in the comments how to get this fixed up. But when I push this down, it makes that sound. So maybe you guys can help me out there. I'm hoping you guys can, because YouTube is a wonderful place to learn this stuff. So basically, this is our new car. This is going to be like a project build to see what we can build out of it. And I want to stance it out and whatnot, but we'll see how that goes. There's the center console. It does come with the manuals and whatnot, because a lot of people do keep that in. So we're going to clean this when coming, I think, tomorrow. I'm going to get this cleaned up and make it smell better, because I had to put some air fresheners in here, obviously, like basic white boy air fresheners. So we're going to get this completely cleaned up. We're going to clean the dash, clean the leathers, see what needs to be replaced, because a lot of this stuff we might be able to preserve. Like those back panels back there, like right here, we can save those so that I don't have to buy a new one of those. But other than that, a lot of this stuff is going to need to be replaced, or I'm screwed. So, yeah. So I hope you guys like this intro video. I know it's small. Hopefully you guys can give us some tips on like what color we should wrap this. So yeah, just keep us, like, let us know down in the comments what color we should wrap this and what we should do with it. Stance it out, drift it. What we can do a lot with this. So just let me know down in the comments what we should do with it, and catch you guys in the flip side.